Hey guys, this is Chandra. I just wanted to come over here and give a little testimony video about Lorenzo Hoffman course and how good his course is. And yes, I said how good his course is. If you're on the sidelines, first of all, get out of that mindset. Lorenzo provides value. If you think, oh, I've been purchasing all these courses before and I just haven't received the value that I need, this is the right course. This one right here. You took the first step, which was coming to the website. The second step is to purchase the course. The third step is to study and implement what he teaches. If you could do that, then everything, it will manifest. You will manifest to that 6-figure, that 7-figure, or that 8-figure earner that you want to be. But you got to be willing to put in some work. Lorenzo, he gonna provide you the value. He already gonna provide you that. All you got to do is put in the work. Can you do that? All right, let me read something to you. This says, all our dreams will come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Keyword, pursue. Are you willing to pursue? I'll see you at the top. Let's work.